Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be the first to be notified when a new video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and I so much appreciate. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my homemade date syrup. Dates is loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals. It is also high in minerals that support heart functions like potassium and magnesium. And it is also good and best sweetener for babies and children, even the adults. So let's get started. I will start by deseeding the dates, taking out those ones that have seed. If you are lucky enough to get those ones that the seed has been removed, you don't need to go through this process. I'm done deseeding the dates. This is how the seeds looks like. Now I'm going ahead to wash them thoroughly to remove any dates in here. It is important. I washed it almost 2 times. After washing, you can soak in water overnight. Depending on the type of date you bought, you can get the soft one and the hard one. Now I'm going straight away to transfer the dates to the blender because my own is soft. I will be adding in some water to blend. I will blend it until I get a smooth paste. This is how the paste looks like. Pour the paste in a mashed cloth, add some water and press out the liquid from the paste. These are the chaff and the amount of liquid I got from the paste. I later transfer the liquid into a pot. Cover the pot. Place the pot on the cooker and allow it to start boiling. Once the liquid in the pot has started boiling, stir it through. Make sure you always stir it to avoid sticking or burning. Once it has gotten to this consistency, know that it is ready because the more you cook, the more thicker it becomes when it cools down. Turn off the heat, stir it and allow it to cool down. It has now cooled down. Do you see how it looks like? I'm going ahead now to transfer it into my airtight container. And it is ready. If truly you are looking for a healthy natural sweetener but delights your family as well, that syrup is exactly what you need. Keep in the refrigerator for months or so. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this episode. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment. See you soon on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.